Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're gonna be Brixing and Clixing. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a bunch of items that we're going to look at. As I said, we'll start off with the Brixing and then follow it up, or rather wrap it up with the Clixing. Okay, so that being said, this particular package is from Shopee, okay, an online marketplace in the Philippines. Okay, and this would contain some minifigures, Class A, from China, and these are all X-Men related. Okay, so we have here, for example, Gladiator. Okay, we have Bastion. Okay, so most of these are X-Men 97 figures, minifigures. We have Sunspot. Okay, in the X-Men uniform. We have Cable. Okay, I love this Cable because it has an alternate face of the possessed Cable at the end of the series. And we have here Gambit. Ooh, why did they send us two Gambits? Okay, I've ordered this for quite a while now, but only getting the chance to look at it now. So, ordered this Gambit because of the trench coat. Okay, we have this is, we call this the mother of Cable. And we have here Morph. Okay, so really interesting. These are very cheap. I think just a little over $1 for each, and it can really build up your minifigure collection. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out which one was this Gambit supposedly. I'm thinking most likely it would have been a Jubilee. Okay, let's take a look at building one of the items. Which one? Perhaps the Bastion. Okay. Okay. The Bastion, as you know, is the main villain in that particular series. So we have him here with his smug smile, smug face. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it snaps really well. Okay, there's even an effect here for, I don't know, power effect, I guess. And the hair. Okay, so that's Bastion. Okay, let's build one more. This Gambit, because we have a duplicate of this. Let's see. I already have a Gambit before, but I got this new one because of the trench coat. Okay, the hair. So remember him. Oops, how do we do it? Trench coat first. Okay, we have to remove the head first. Remove the head first, and then the trench coat, and then put the hair. There you go. Oops, I think I nicked it. Oh no, that's just his hair. No worries. Yeah, I did nick it. So you can see there. That's fine. That adds more character to the minifigure. And of course, Gambit would have his patented stick and cards. The Ace of Hearts in this case. Okay. And there we go. So this is definitely a better version of the Gambit that I have. So that it will replace that. Okay. So the others will probably open this at the right time. Okay, now we go to the Clixin part, and these are items I got, I think mostly from trade. And the first one, if I can zoom it in, first one is Puff Adder. Okay, so I got these figures because I'm trying to collect as well mutant adjacent figures. Okay, so and I was looking at Wikipedia and found out these three characters are also mutants. So Puff Adder is from the Amazing Spider-Man set, if I'm not mistaken. Masters of Evil, Serpent Society, and Brute. Sneak Attack. Puff Adder can use facing teleport when he does and moves 3 squares or less. After resolutions, he may make a close attack. So it's like a mini charge but with facing teleport. Second trait, Intimidating Size. At the beginning of the turn, choose Puff Adder can use Super Strength and has Giant, or Puff Adder has Standard. Puff Adder has the chosen effect until you choose again. Okay. Okay, so meaning you can revert him, you can just simply revert him back to a standard character. And then a special attack power, Venomous Spits. Give Puff Adder a power action to deal 1 penetrating damage to an opposing character within 3 squares and line of fire. So it's like a long range poison, 100 or 60 points. Okay, Captain America Nemesis. Okay, so we also have another villain here, Terax from the, I think this is Future Foundation set, a rare in that set. Cabal, Offenders, Brute, Cosmic Herald Ruler are the keywords for Terax. Real name is Tyros. A special attack power, the Earth shifts and heavens and bows to his powerful command. Quake. Giant Reach 3, when Terax uses Quake, after resolutions generate a blackened terrain marker adjacent to each hit character at the beginning of your next turn. Remove all the blackened terrain markers generated this way. And a special defense power, Terax shall destroy you. Stop invulnerability and regen. Improve movement, destroys blocking. He is one of the heralds of Galactus. So you can see his dial here for 100 points. 6 range with Cosmic. And finally, the last one, Reptile, a modern figure from the Avengers Forever set. Okay, Avengers, Young Avengers, Animal Mystical Past keywords. Real name is Humberto Lopez. Prehistoric transformation is that first trait. At the beginning of your turn, you may turn Reptile to click 1, 2, or 3. You only have those 3 clicks, so can be flexible at times. And the second trait, Primeval Healing Factor. When Reptile would be KO'd by an opposing effect, you may roll a d6. On a 4 to 6, turn him to click number 1 instead. Protected Pulse Wave. Ooh. So if you are rolling high, he may not die in a particular game. Okay, so that's really interesting, because 4 to 6 is 50-50. So it can be annoying to get rid of this Reptile. He is for 40 points though and has the Avengers team ability. Okay, so that can grant him additional attack, meaning +1 attack against certain characters with team abilities. Okay, so but with a rollout of Shape Change all throughout the dial and a possible rollout of a Revival when he is KO'd, he's fun for 50 points. He is unique though, so you can only use 1 Reptile in your force. Okay, so what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. I hope you like the combination of Bricks and Clicks. Bye-bye!